Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. Welcome back to the new video. In this video, we'll see the vocabulary related to the alphabet F. If you have not seen our previous videos, because we are learning vocabulary alphabetically, so you can go to the playlist and you can go to the previous videos. It is available there and you can learn and improve your vocabulary with us. So let's start with today's first word, foul. Foul means lazy. If somebody is lazy, we say foul. This is an adjective. Foul, er ist faul. Mein Freund ist faul. My friend is lazy. My neighbor is lazy. He is lazy. She is lazy. Foul. Second word is fleißig. Fleißig is the opposite of foul. Means hardworking. Fleißig. Fleißig. Like he is hardworking. My father is hardworking. Mein Vater ist fleißig. Er ist fleißig. Ich bin fleißig. I am hardworking. So fleißig is the opposite of faul. Finden is a verb. Finden means to find. Like wie finden Sie mein Haus? How do you find my house? How do you like my house? Like ich finde es gut. Ich finde es groß. I find it big. I find it nice. Very good. So finden. फिंडर मीन्स टू फाइंड. कैसा लगता है आपको मेरा घर, कैसा लगता है मेरा नया अपार्टमेंट या मेरी नई कार. सो वी यूज़ द वर्ब फिंडन. सो बी वेरी केयरफुल व्हेन यू विल यूज़ द वर्ब फिंडन. इट मीन्स लगना, कैसा लगता है आपको, कैसा दिखता है. सो वी यूज़ एडजेक्टिव. Ich finde dein Haus gut, tall, groß, hell, like this. Next word is freuen. It's a verb. Sich freuen means to be glad, to look forward. We use it very often in the email. Like ich freue mich auf die Antwort auf Ihre E-Mail. I'm looking forward to your answer. I'm looking forward to your email. So sich freuen means to be glad, to look forward. Then Freizeit means free time. Very common word, Freizeit. You must have seen this word in A1 level. Freizeit, free time. Freiwillig means freelancer. Freiwillig, like ich arbeite freiwillig, means I'm not working for somebody, I work for myself. Freiwillig. Or you can also say voluntary. Voluntary काम करना, voluntary. Freiwillig. Freiwillige Arbeit. Voluntary काम कर रहे हो आप. Freiwillig. Fantastic is adjective, means fantastic. English word है fantastic. थोड़ी सी स्पेलिंग चेंज है. Fantastic. Fish. Fish इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं fish, but स्पेलिंग डिफरेंट है. तो fish is the word. Fish. Frau means woman और miss, like मिस्टर और मिस के लिए. So मिस के लिए हम बोलेंगे frau, मिस्टर के लिए her. So her opposite frau. And we use surname with Mr. or Miss, like Frau Weber, Frau Sharma, Frau Verma, Frau Gautam. Any surname we use with her or Frau. Next word is feiern. Feiern means to celebrate. Feiern, this is the verb. Like ich feiere Diwali, ich feiere Holi, I celebrate Diwali, Holi. Feiern. Ich feiere meinen Geburtstag. I celebrate my birthday. Feiern is the verb. Feiern. Then Ferien is the noun. Ferien means vacation. Like Sommerferien, Winterferien, summer vacation, winter vacation. So the word is Ferien. This is the noun. Die Ferien, vacation. Ferien. Film is English word film, same spelling, same sound, film. Frisior. Frisior, we'll just see the spelling if it's correct. Frisior means barber. Frisior, okay. E is not required here, so I, then SOR, frisior. Friseur means barber. Friseur. Friseur. So E is not required, we cut E. Yes. Friseur means barber. Fremd. Fremd means very strange. Very strange. You are in a strange city. And fremde Land. Foreign language, we say Fremdsprache. Like German is a foreign language. Deutsch is Fremdsprache. Foreign language. Fremd. Fremdsprache, as I told you, foreign language. Fremdsprache. These are two words. Fremd and Sprache. We have joined the two words. Okay, so we also join words and make a composite. Okay, next is Fußball. Again, there are two words. Fuß means foot, and ball is ball. Football is called Fußball. Okay, Fußball. Okay, this is like Fußball. Fuß, as I said, it is foot. Foot. Flyer. Flyer is English word flyer. Pamphlets for promotion. We distribute flyer among people. Flyer. Flyer just for promotion work. Like this is the flyer of any company, and here details are written and the promotional things. So flyer. Feiertag. Feiertag means holiday. Feiertag. Like somebody is working and he say, tomorrow is my holiday. So Feiertag. Morgen ist Feiertag. Like am Montag ist Feiertag. Monday is holiday, official holiday. So amtlicher Feiertag. Feiertag. Holiday. Freitag means Friday. It's a day. Weekday. Freitag. Photo means photo. It's again English word, but spelling is different. Photo. Okay, any image, any build is called photo. This is photo. Any kind of photo. Familiar is a family. Familiar, family members. Father, mother, brother, sister. So this is familiar. Freund is male friend. Freundin is a female friend. Like we say, Freundin is used for female. Okay, and Freund is used for male. This is the difference. Flohmarkt is a flea market where you buy second-hand goods, used articles. Flohmarkt, you can buy watches, clothes, garments, electronics, anything, household goods. Flohmarkt. In Germany, Flohmarkt is very common. People go and buy some stuffs which is already used, second-hand objects. Feuer is fire, आग, like fire. Fire. कहीं पे आग लग जाती है, fire. And Feuerwerk, fireworks, like crackers. Feuerwerk. Again two words, Feuer and Werk. Then Freiheit is freedom. Freiheit, freedom. Somebody wants freedom, so Freiheit. Freiheit, freedom. Fernsehen means to watch TV. Fan or sehen. It's a verb, separable verb. Fan or sehen. Like I see, ich sehe Fan. I watch TV. Fernsehen, it's a verb. ये verb है, ठीक है. Then Fernseher is a noun. It means TV, television. Fernsehen means television, TV. Fernweh, Fernweh, like home sickness. अगर आपको पता है Heimweh, उससे से Fernweh. Fernweh, wanderlust, like you want to travel some place, you want to go somewhere far away. So you have Fernweh, means आप कहीं घूमना चाहते हो, बाहर जाना चाहते हो, आपको मन हो रहा है घूमने का, wanderlust बोलते हैं, Fernweh. Now see the new words. Fernstudium is it. Fernstudium, same. Fern means distance, studium is study. Distance education. Distance study. You do distance study, distance education. You live in India and you study online from Germany. So that is Fernstudium. Distance education. Fever means fever. Somebody is sick. We use fever is the word. Somebody is unwell. So we use the word fever for that person. Fan. fever, das fever. Fühlen means to feel, sich fühlen. How do you feel? कैसा feel कर रहे हो? Fühlen ये verb है, sich fühlen feel करना. Fresh is fresh, like fresh vegetable, fresh fruits, fresh water, fresh juice. Fresh adjective है. Freshen is a verb. People के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं एसन, और एनिमल जब खाते तो उसको बोलते हैं फ्रेशन. इफ एनिमल इज ईटिंग, फ्रेशन. फ्लेक्सिबल इज एडजेक्टिव, फ्लेक्सिबल. फ्लेक्सिबल आर बाइट, फ्लेक्सिबल आर बाइट साइड. वर्क टाइमिंग फ्लेक्सिबल होते हैं आपके. फ्योर इज ए preposition, मीन्स फॉर. दिस इज फॉर यू, दिस इज फॉर हिम, दिस इज फॉर मी. सो फ्योर. फ्रेंडशाफ्ट, फ्रेंड und shaft. फ्रेंडशाफ्ट मीन्स फ्रेंडशिप. फ्रेंडशिप, ठीक है, दो लोगों में फ्रेंडशिप होती है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड फ्रेंडशाफ्ट. फ्रेंडशाफ्ट, and two people meet, become friends. Freundschaft. Frosch is frog. Frog, you know, frog is a creature. We know frog. We use the word frosch. Froh, happy. Ich bin froh. I am happy. You are happy. Du bist froh. We are happy. Wir sind froh. हम खुश हैं. Happy. Froh. Freundlich, friendly. Friendly. Freundlich. Firma, कंपनी को बोलते हैं firma. Like Siemens is a firma, Nokia is a firma, Apple is a firma, Samsung is a firma. Fast, fast means almost, almost, almost 2 days, almost after 3 days. Fast 2 Tage, fast 3 Tage, almost. Figure, figure means personality में किसी की figure, like figure बहुत अच्छी है तो figure. और figure means also character, like you are reading a book, a story book, and there are different characters, so we say figuren. Verschiedene Figuren, plural figuren, singular figure. फ्लाश होता है बॉटल, वाटर बॉटल, वाटर फ्लाश, ठीक है, और जूस की बॉटल, मिल्क की बॉटल, केचप की बॉटल. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड फ्लाश. सम मोर वर्ड्स. फ्लाइश इज मीट, मीट खाते हैं, फ्लाइश. So that's all in this video. I hope you like it. So keep learning, keep watching the video. See you next time in the new video. Bye bye. Take care.